In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change name in PUBG. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to get a name change voucher in PUBG. So to do this, you will have to go over to the store. Sadly, this isn't something that you can do for free. To my knowledge, ever since PUBG launched, you will have to pay to get a name change. So when you go over to the store and you switch over from the featured page to the items, you will be able to browse through everything available here on the store. Now, what you have to do is go over to the utility category, and in here, you will be able to find nickname change. This is the item that allows you to change your name once. So every time that you want to change your name, you will have to purchase this. As you can see, change your nickname identity theft is no joke, and it costs 990 G coins. So if you need to acquire G coins, switch over to this tab over here on the right and you will be able to purchase them in your local currency. So usually you won't want to acquire this bundle right here. Currently it is $10 or $9.99 and you will be able to get enough and a little bit of bonus. This one is going to cut shy, so you can either buy this one and then buy this cheapest one, so in total it would be roughly $6, but you can choose whatever you prefer. Either buy this one and then the 100 G coin pack, or just buy this pack for $10 altogether and you will be able to cover the price of the nickname change. Once you have acquired this item, you will be able to immediately use it to get a nickname change, which sadly I'm not going to be doing in this video, but after you do this, your name will be updated and everyone will see the new name that you have selected in game. So all that you have to do is go over to the store, acquire some G coins, and purchase the nickname change available under the utility tab on the store. You can also change the name of your clan, as you can see here, but for the most part, this is going to be the focus of this video. I hope I was able to help you on how to change name in PUBG. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.